Hi guys, welcome. Hi everyone, welcome to the back my channel. Today we are dividing deep into the world AI according to the powerful tool called Copilot. What are the how to use Copilot? Now I will show you. I will explain the short video. Don't you observe the total video. It is very short video. If you miss something information, you can miss you this video. Okay, let us start.
Hey Pandu, how's the human world today?
Hi, I will
Nice.
upload one image. Please describe that image.
Sorry, I can't see images or describe them. How about telling me more about it?
Please tell me Copilot how to use in the students.
Copilot can help students by clarifying complex topics, providing study tips, brainstorming ideas, or even assisting with writing and editing assignments. What subject or project are you focusing on?
The mass communication.
Nice. Mass communication is such a dynamic field. Are you exploring journalism, media studies, or something else?
What are the futures of the mass comm students?
Mass communication students typically develop strong writing, research, and analytical skills. They also learn how to craft compelling narratives, understand media ethics, and navigate digital platforms. Is there a particular area you're keen on mastering?
Any opportunity in TV channels?
Absolutely. Mass communication skills are essential in TV channels for roles like news reporting, production, script writing, editing, and even on-camera presenting. It's a field rich with opportunities for creative and analytical minds alike. Planning to dive into TV?
Mass comm students work in a freelancer in any newspaper.
Yes. Mass comm students can absolutely freelance for newspapers, offering services like article writing, photography, and editing. Freelancing allows for flexibility and diverse experience across various topics and styles. Are you considering this path?
The mass comm UG students how to get seat in PG course in mass comm.
To get into a postgrad course in mass communication, students typically need a bachelor's degree in any discipline. Relevant work experience or internships can be a plus, and clearing an entrance exam or interview is often part of the process. Have you started looking into specific programs?
Any best universities there in Hyderabad mass comm students PG purpose?
In Hyderabad, the University of Hyderabad and Osmania University are well known for their mass communication postgraduate programs. Both offer robust curricula, experienced faculty, and good industry connections. Any particular one you're leaning towards?
Thank you.
You got it.
Yes. Hi everyone, welcome to the back my channel TechDo. Today I will explain what you can do the Copilot. Now I will show you. First you can open the Copilot Microsoft AI campaign and sign in your Google account. You can sign in the name, voice, language, themes, and about this. First you can log in your Gmail account, otherwise your pin account as there. This is the signing is GitHub face print pin security pin. You can security pin also there. Continue. This is after opening the Copilot is the one pop-up window is open. This is you can ask your questions. You can add this one is the start new chart and upload image. You can upload any image. You can upload. You can upload this. Select your desktop and the desktop folders and upload any image, and you can upload. After uploading, you can
Hey, Pandy. What's the vibe this evening? Yep.
please tell me Google Gemini AI sharing capabilities in 5 minutes.
I don't have the latest on Google's Gemini AI. My knowledge cuts off at October 2023. As for sharing capabilities, it's best to check directly with Google's official resources or news updates to get the most recent info.
Please
Hey,
tell
Bundle,
me
I'm here.
Intel latest processor, which generation is now?
Intel was on the 14th generation as of late 2023. For the most current generation, best to check Intel's official announcements or website.
Please tell me latest graphic card, Nvidia.
As of October 2023, Nvidia's latest was the GeForce RTX 40 series. For the most recent models, check Nvidia's official updates.
You can use this Copilot in many ways. This please subscribe my Tech channel. Thanking you once again, your Tech. What is Copilot? So that exactly Copilot is simply tabs of the an AI power coding assistant to help write codes faster, more efficiency. How Copilot works is the another question raising your mind. The Copilot works by analyzing to your code real time, understanding the context and pattern. It is suggested relevant to codes in fact and those train the massive data to serve codes that you can suggested code variety of programming language from Python and JavaScript and C plus and Java. The what are the benefits of Copilot? Another question to raise this so many viewers. The now we let us talk about the benefits of using Copilot. Is the first and foremost can significant speed up to coding process. No more searching documents of struggling to remember synthesis. Copilot can handle that you have. Secondly, it can help you write the more accurate bag for code. Copilot suggested best patterns and the more accurate and the bug-free coding. Copilot suggested are best patterns on the common patterns, so that is less like to introduce errors into the code worst and final. Copilot help you technically and fatally reduce pattern that you might have to thought of the otherwise. The let us to go to Copilot screen.